I am Sawant D.D from J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon District, Nashik. The topic which I had selected today, that is a noise pollution. Sound is a normal feature of our life and a medium through which communication is possible. It may be pleasant like the sound of running water of a stream, or the sweet sound of birds in the forest, or the pleasant sound produced by musical instruments. On the other hand, it may be the noisy and harsh sound of lightning and thunder, or noise produced by machines, automobiles, railways, aeroplanes, or even the blaring sounds of loudspeakers are some musical instruments. But all sounds are not noise. Noise is any sound that is not wanted. It is one of the more common forms of atmospheric pollution. Sound is caused by the vibration of molecules, while noise radiates from vibrating surfaces. More and more noise is the creation of modern civilization and has now become a major environmental pollutants, especially in urban areas. It was only in 1972 when, in the UN Environment Conference at Stockholm, noise pollution was first accepted by a problem as a problem which needs proper attention. So it is the pollution or environmental noise is displacing human, animals, or machine created sounds that disturbs the activity or balance of human or animal life. As the term noise pollution has been recently used to signify the hazards of sounds which are consequence of modern day development leading to health hazards of different types. So the noise pollution is a type of energy pollution in which distracting, irritating, or damaging sounds are freely audible. Noise pollution contaminants are not physical particles but rather waves that interfere with naturally occurring waves of similar type in the same environment. In the most narrow sense, sounds are considered noise pollution if they adversely affect wildlife, human activity, or are capable of damaging physical structures on a regular repeating basis. So the sources of noise pollution, those are a road traffic noise, aircraft, noise from railroads, construction noise, noise in industries, noise in buildings, noise from consumer products, as loudspeaker, public address system, या fire breakers. As to classify the noise pollution, two kinds of noise pollutions are seen. Those are community noise, and second one, that is a occupational noise. What comes under the community noise? That is a aircraft noise, roadway and underwater. These are the noise pollutions. And the community noises are as a environmental noise, yeah, residential noise or domestic noise. It defines as a noise emitted from all sources except at the industrial workplace. Main sources of community noise includes road, rail, and air traffic, as a construction and public work, and the neighborhood. Typical neighborhood noise comes from live or recorded music, from sporting events including motorsports, from playgrounds and car parks, and from domestic animals such as the barking dogs. As a aircraft noise pollution, always we are hearing, yeah, the cities, yeah, countries which are being developed countries, and in those a aircraft which is being moving always, and hence a noise from planes flying over residential areas impairs people's ability to work, learn in school and sleep, and consequently also results in lowered property values in affected areas. As passengers volume increase and new and larger airports are built, and hence a noise is becoming even more of a concern. And on the roads, always we are observing roads are full of cars and vehicles. So roadway noise is the collective sound energy emanating from motor vehicles. As in USA, contributes more to environmental noise exposure than any other noise source, and is constituted chiefly of engine, tire, aerodynamic and braking elements. In other Western countries as well as lesser developed countries, roadways noise is expected to contribute a proportionately large share of the total societal noise pollution. As the occupational noise, the many and varied sources of noise is industrial machinery and processes include as rotors, gears, turbulent fluid flow, impact processes, electrical machines, internal combustion engines, pneumatic equipments, drilling, crushing, blasting, pumps, and compressors. Furthermore, the emitted sounds are reflected from floors, ceiling, and equipments. So, the noise from railroads, as rail car retarders can produce a high frequency, high level screech that can reach peak levels of 120 dB at a distance of 100 feet, which translates to level as high at 138 to 140 dB at the railroad workers' ear. Construction, wherever it is going on, at such places, mostly the noise being as a pollution. The noise from the construction of highways as city streets and buildings is a major contributor to the urban scene, and hence the construction noise sources include pneumatic hammers, air compressors, yeah, bulldozers, loaders, dump trucks, and their other backup and pavement breakers. Noise from consumer products such as a certain household equipment such as vacuum cleaners also in households, in homes, mixers are there, yes, in kitchens, appliances as noise makers of the house. Though they do not cause too much of problem, their effect cannot be neglected. In various functions, loudspeakers which are located as in public address system, as in functions, meetings, religious places, in open areas, is a source of serious nuisance. Firecrackers, as use of firecrackers with high noise level may harm the human hearing system, especially sensitive are some children. So to control the noise pollution, noise producing industries should be located away from the residential areas. Inside industries, proper arrangement should be minimized. Noise should be made by constructing soundproof walls and to provide such instruments to workers which can protect their ears or from noise. Old machines often create more noise, therefore, all such machines should be well maintained and replaced if necessary. The automobile's horn should be designed in such a way that the noise it produces may not be harmful. Horn should be minimum and pressure horn should be banned, has been done in many countries. Noise created by musical instruments and other indoor equipments can be checked by individuals in their own interest. Noise created by railways can be checked by construction. Special arrangement should be made to check noise near air bases. Control of aircraft and noise requires several changes which should be done. Dense tree plantation around or nearby areas of noise can also reduce its intensity. So, every government has enacted certain laws to control noise pollution. So, the basic needs is the proper implementation of these laws and regular monitoring. In countries like India, the problems of noise pollution is still in its primary stage. Therefore, measures to control these problems are necessary. So, thank you.